Good morning everyone. I welcome you all to the part 2 of chapter 4 simplification. In today's tutorial we will talk about BODMAS. As we already studied in the previous tutorial, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. I hope the order in which the arithmetic operations are solved are clear to you. Let's talk about the types of brackets. So we have vinculum. Vinculum is a line, a bar over the numbers. Second is the round bracket. Third is the curly bracket. And fourth is the square bracket. You can see the shape of round bracket, curly bracket and square brackets. It is a little bit difficult for you. It will be little bit difficult for you to draw curly brackets in class 5 because this is a very new concept to you. So try practicing curly bracket, drawing the curly bracket in your rough copy 2-3 times and you will get perfect in that. So let us now study about the order of brackets. Let us see in which order these brackets are solved. So a problem might have more than one brackets in that. So what we should do if we see different types of brackets in a problem, if these brackets are to be given one inside the other, right? If these brackets are given one inside the other, we use different brackets in a fixed order, and the fixed order is that first of all we solve the round brackets, after then we solve the curly bracket, and then we solve the square brackets at the end. So one by one all the brackets will get solved and we will be editing the brackets from the question, and at the end we will be left only with the numbers and the operations and we will get the final answer. Vinculum, the first type of bracket that we discussed in the previous slide. We are not doing the questions of vinculum right now. We will only deal with the square bracket, curly brackets and round brackets. Fine. Let us look at the questions which have brackets in them. So exercise 4.2, this is a notebook work that you have to do. The parts we have solved here, the same parts you have to solve in your notebook also after understanding it from the video tutorial. So question number 1 is simplify. A part, 12 divided by 9 minus 3 in the round brackets plus 5. So what happens here is, without looking at the operations, in the previous exercises you did DMAS, DMAS, so you were looking at the operations at the first go, but here in this exercise when you look at the bracket anywhere, you have to search for the round bracket first of all, right? As soon as you see the round bracket, you need not to think about the operation which is there inside the round bracket, be it subtraction, addition, multiplication or division. You don't have to see the order. Be it any arithmetic operation inside the round bracket, you have to solve it first. Alright, so here if you look at the solution, A part, using BODMAS, I have underlined the part which I am solving, and in the brackets I have written BDA and BDM in the C part also, you can see. So by writing BDA in the brackets, I am mentioning that what I am solving at that particular step, right? Like in the first step I have written 9 minus 3 in the round brackets with the purple color. It means we are solving this part of the problem first of all. So writing 9 minus 3 as 6 in the next step. So I got 12 divided by 6 plus 5. So here the round bracket is solved and we remove the round brackets from the question. I have two operations here, division and addition. Now following the DMAS rule, we will do division first of all. So the division part is colored with the purple color. So in the next step, we write down the answer of the division. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2 plus 5 will be written as it is. And the last step is addition. 2 plus 5 is 7. So 7 is the final answer. I hope that question is clear to you. We will practice much more questions, many more questions, so that you can have hands-on practice on such types of questions. So let us see C part. So C part have curly brackets and round brackets in that, you can see, and the question is 45 divided by 3 into 5 in the round brackets and the whole problem in the curly brackets multiplied by 8. right? So the very first thing you have to remember here is the order of brackets. So the very first preference is given to the round brackets. So in the very first step, we have underlined the round bracket, colored it with the purple color. We will solve this part 3 into 5. So 3 5s are 15. In the next step, I got 45 divided by 15. So round brackets are edited from here because we have got the solution of that, multiplied by 8. So next is the curly bracket. The next preference is to the curly brackets. 45 divided by 5 is 3, multiplied by 8 written as it is. And now we have only one operation in the problem, 3 multiplied by 8, and the answer is 24. So this is how we solve the brackets. Next is the E part. Square bracket open, 4 plus curly bracket open, round bracket open, 8 into 9, round bracket close, divided by 12, curly bracket close, square bracket close, minus 10. So in this question you can see all the three types of brackets are there. So the first preference goes to the round brackets, that is 8 into 9. So I have underlined. So we are solving the bracket here. 8 9s are 72. So in the next step we will only write down the answer of 8 into 9. That is the only change. Rest all the complete question is the same. 4 plus 72 divided by 12 in the curly brackets, minus 10. Right, so round brackets are solved and they have been edited from the solution. Next step is solving the curly bracket. Next preference is the curly bracket. So 72 divided by 12 is 6, right? So 4 plus 6 minus 10. Now curly brackets are also solved and they have been edited from the solution. So we have 4 plus 6 in the square brackets. So we have to do the addition here. 4 plus 6 is 10 and minus 10 written as it is, and the last step 10 minus 10 is 0. G part, square bracket open, 50 minus curly bracket open, 14 plus round bracket open, 48 divided by 3, round bracket close, curly bracket close, square bracket close, multiply by 5. So here also you can see all the types of brackets are there, and we have all the operations also in this question: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So using BODMAS, the very first preference to the round brackets, that is 48 divided by 3, written with the purple color and underlined also. So solving the brackets, so I have written B in the brackets. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So rest of the question remains the same, only 16 is the different number here, which is the solution of the previous part. Now next step is solving the curly brackets, that is 14 plus 16, which is 30, right? And the curly brackets are also solved at this step. So 50 minus 30 multiplied by 5. Now last preference is to the square brackets, which have 50 minus 30. So 50 minus 30 is 20, multiplied by 5 written as it is. And the last step, we have only one operation, that is multiplication. So 20 multiplied by 5 is equal to 100. So this is how we are solving the questions with the similar knowledge of the order of brackets and the BODMAS rule. Last is the I part, that is 14 curly bracket open, round bracket open, 125 minus 20, round bracket close, divided by 15, curly bracket close, and the square bracket close. So here if you see this question, there is no sign, no arithmetic operation after 14. See, if you see carefully, after 14 we are the question has just started with a curly bracket. So in such a case, when there is no symbol, no arithmetic operation, we consider it as multiplication. So later in the solution part, when we will have two numbers, 14 and the other number after that, and no sign in between, so we will use multiplication in between, or in the very first step you can write multiplication. It's your choice. Fine. So solving this question, solving the round bracket at the very first step. 125 minus 20 is 105, divided by 15 in the curly brackets. In the next step, solving the curly bracket, I got 7. 105 divided by 15 gives us 7. So here at this step, 14 and 7 does not have any sign in between, so here I have put multiply, because 14 was before the curly brackets and there was no symbol, which I just explained a couple of seconds ago. So 14 multiplied by 7 is 98. I hope the topic is clear to you. So all of you solve these questions in your FAIR notebook, and we will be discussing your doubts in the virtual session. Thank you.